Try it on your head then. Same. It's large then. You need a medium now. Oh, they're on different shelves, the mediums. Have a look on there.
Large.
Let's have another. Let's have a look. That doesn't look that big. Try that one now. That's not big. Doesn't look big anyway. Try that one.
Large as well.
Oh god. They can't be all large, surely. Didn't say anything on this one. Try that one. The head's so small.
See?
Ask for help. See if they've got any medium or if they're all large now. It'll be a lot quicker, so we're not looking through every helmet.
This one's small.
Well, you're not. I'm not buying you one of them now. That'd just explode. Mind you, probably these from China, they'll explode as well. That's one of these guys, here.
Kuya, may medium ka mong size ito. Helmet? Puro large. All them is large.
Right, we'll go to that other shop down there then. That's so large. You can see it's too big. Let's try it. We're in Unitop now, guys. And it's either baby's helmets, very small, or very large by the looks of it, and they're a lot more money. So there's a shop just along the road. We're going to try that.
If we did not get the medium size, we can get the large one in home. The pink. I like the pink.
Yeah, but in an accident, Mel, it'll come off your head. Look, I'd rather pay more money and protect your head.
Oh, really?
No, I'm just joking, like. Jinsam Trading, let's have a look in here. That looks a medium or a small.
Ano size kayo natin? Anong size? Anong large?
Large? Same as the one you saw in there though, isn't it?
Why yung medium size? Tapos large.
Is it the same?
Yeah.
I mean with the fit.
If I put this baby, it's gonna be our penetrant.
How much is it?
Magkano ni ate? 8.
It shouldn't be, when you first put it on, it shouldn't be really loose on your head. And it is, isn't it? It's no good. there's an accident, the helmet will come off. It's alright, you're going to be died. It's alright. Okay. Does the visor stay up? Mel, does the visor stay up? Or wouldn't you rather have the other one? I like that one better than that one. That looks, is that large? Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it's like.
Yeah, that's better now. That's better. That's like front heavy, isn't it, that one?
You're gonna compare inside.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah.
But it costs more.
Doesn't matter, Mel.
It's 1,500.
Your safety's more important than money. And even if the helmet's not expensive. So you're having that one? Yeah, it's better. It's better. You can see it's better. You can actually take the inside off that other helmet, put it in there, and it'll make it tighter on your head. I hope that music's not going to get me demonetized. Look at this, guys. Went to get some apples. What a deal. 50 pesos for 6?
Yeah.
6 apples. So I bought them all. 200.
You have a change?
Why?
I want to buy
I don't know, babe. I'll have a look. Thank you. You want to buy what? The little tangerine? Sophia, what about me? You never buy nothing for me, do you? Let me have a look, see if I got some change.
Did I have change?
Get so aggressive with me. I'm trying to get the money out.
Huh?
Nothing, said you Maganda.
Carry that, it's heavy. I will carry the camera.
Oh, you'll carry the camera, that's nice of you. Right, so that's it, guys, till the next video.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye!
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is hard.